Hello, good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Positive Channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So in today's video, we're going to be creating a fast makeup tutorial. So basically, I'm going to be doing my makeup and then I'm going to make it go fast, okay? So before I get started, I did got a comment from a subscriber that they were saying that the mic I was using, it makes a little bit of noise and maybe it's not good audio. So like I said, I just got this 2 months ago, and like I said, the only reason why it makes noise because sometimes I move it and the cord is very long, and you guys know I have a small phone, so even if I try to move it in a way now, um I will try my best to not make it make noise, because when I get something new for the first time, honestly, yeah, it's going to make noise because I'm not used to the thing yet. Just like when I used to film with my mics, my little mini mics, and sometimes the sound's gone. So that's why most of the time, if I am filming, I try my best to see if I can fix that so it doesn't make too much noise. So I do apologize if it does make noise, and I do appreciate the comment from the subscriber. Okay? So sit down, relax. I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. Okay, a fast makeup tutorial. So I'm basically gonna be putting on my foundation, my concealer, my hydration makeup, and everything like that. And I'm gonna be using my Sephora makeups. And yeah, why not? Why not do a makeup tutorial for 2026? Okay, so sit down, relax, and let's get started.
So I'm using my e.l.f. primer. If you guys know, I'm so happy that I got this e.l.f. primer because I never knew how nice this thing is. So now I can put this on my skin and feel good. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a fast makeup tutorial. So right now my face is smooth. Now I'm gonna put some of my foundation, my Burt's Bees foundation. And guys, let me tell you guys something about doing makeup. I do watch a lot of makeup tutorials. And I want to like just talk about makeup, cause yeah, some people who do makeup different than other people. If I'm putting on makeup, like I tried the first time when I used to start, I used to just put on foundation. Never knew nothing about primer or concealer or anything like that. So now when I kind of understand what makeup is all about, then you kind of know what you're doing. Okay, so I want to let you guys know, like, let me know if you, I'm very grateful that you guys are, like, liking my videos. And I do want to say thank you so much, because let me tell you guys something about me. Like, educating is so good for me. And I feel that, when you do that, you kind of feel like, I'm doing this. You know what I'm saying? So you get it out of the way. Like, you're not doing this to think that, oh, you know what you're doing. As long as you understand the criteria, you understand. And I like to watch a lot of videos sometimes that could kind of educate me a little bit. So when I get to that, then you know what you're doing, okay? So now I'm going to put some of my toner, my Sephora toner, Towel 28. I love this. This is for under eye, if you guys know. It's the best concealer ever. Because I'm the type of person, even though I am getting older, but I want to make sure I take care of these lines under my eyes. You know me already. Like, when you reach a certain age in your life, you gotta make sure you take care of yourself properly of what you're doing. Because if you don't do that, you know. I'm the type of person right now, y'all. Like, I cannot. I don't like seeing wrinkles. And I know I'm getting older, and I gotta take care of it. So when you're young, please take care of yourselves. Don't play around with your body. Be serious with it. Okay? When you know what you're doing, do it. I want you guys to be aware. Like, I started to know, like, me taking care of my skin is like one of the most important things. Like, ever since I've been getting older, I love taking care of myself. I love it. It's like one of the most happiest meanings for me, you know. Alright, now I think that should be good. Now I'm going to be putting some of my foundation makeup primer now. It's another makeup primer. Alright guys, I think you guys remember when I showed you guys when I'm finishing up these makeups. Like, look how amazing these makeups are. Like, ooh, I'm getting it on my fingers. It's all good. These are like the most Oh, I put the green one first. This is like a hydration. So if you want to hydrate your skin, you could put any of these on your skin to hydrate. I just start with the green. I should put the brown first, but it's all good. This is like a hydration. I'm just gonna rub it all over my face. Alright. I can just rub it with my hands if I want. So, I'm gonna try to rub it all the way around on my skin. So you guys could see what I'm doing. And it smells really good. Really good. I don't rub it like on my hand. If you feel like it's too much, you can rub it everywhere around the skin. I think right now what I love about these things is like you can do anything to your face. Like if you feel like your skin tends to get dry, especially the cold weather is, you know. And you guys know like when spring starts to come, it's still gonna be cold, but at least you can go. Yeah. I think I'm good with this. And then I'm gonna use another one now. And rub it on my face. So yeah guys, that's what I do. You gotta make sure when you are doing makeup, there's so much things you gotta know what you're doing. I'm a type of person, even though when I started to wear makeup when I was younger and I didn't know everything, at least now I'm kind of getting the criteria like, okay, gotta do this, gotta do this, gotta do this. So it's really important. So now I'm going to do the next one, and then after that we're gonna do the Asho makeup. The Asho makeup. Just hydrating my skin right now. And then we're gonna actually do the Asho makeup, and then we get started, okay? And then I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna be doing a fast makeup tutorial. So you're gonna see me do this in fast motion, but this is like a slow motion, but it's gonna be fast. Okay? I wanna give y'all the best content as I can. I wanna give y'all content that you need to see, not content that's boring. I'm surprised you guys really like my testing my laptop. I really appreciate you guys are liking this because, I mean, why not, you know? You know, my computer might not be the best, but you know what, it's working. Did some vlogs on it and it worked pretty well. I have been editing more better when I first just started, I didn't really understand much. So I'm getting a little better with editing. So that's really good. Okay. Make sure I'm all wiped. Okay. I think we're good with that. Now I'm going to do the actual makeup. Start with the eyelash now. I'm going to start with this. Uh-oh. When I was younger, guys, and I used to wear like eye pencils, I used to be so scared to go under my eyelid. I know I feel like I would like cry. I'm still tearing up now. Alright, so now we're going to be putting on the Sephora eyeliner, or eyelid. Look, I'm crying now. That's what happens when you, okay. And then, now we're going to be putting on this. Okay. Now we're going to do the actual makeup now. I actually look way older now. Actual makeup. So now we're going to be putting on the Sephora makeup. You guys remember this 2 years ago? Oh, not even 2, 3 years ago. 3 years ago. I think I'm going to use this color right here. I swear to God, I love this Sephora palette, bro. Like, it's a makeup palette that I never expect I would get. Because nowadays, like, when it comes to putting on any type of color in your eye, you'd be like, what am I wearing? Okay. Now we're going to put on our lipstick. Some lipstick now. Time for me to put on the hard candy lipstick. Okay. Ooh. Getting on your teeth. That's the worst thing. How's the makeup? And get it on your teeth. Now I'm gonna put this.
Alright guys, so this is my makeup. This is what it's looking at. I mean, it actually does not look that bad. I mean, I got on my teeth, but this looks really good. I actually do like how this looks on me. Like, this is a makeup look that I'll actually vibe with. You know, not too bright, just perfect. The foundation, everything that I put on here is great on my face. I actually do really good, like, not too old, but just different and good. Because makeup will make you look a little bit older, but just looks more mature and me. So this is so cute. Let me take some pics on this. Alright guys, so other than that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think about this makeup tutorial. I actually do like this, and I will see you on the next one. Okay, bye.